Tattle.
Well, we at the park.
You ready to go play with your or
Want to go play?
That's more of a I'm ready to go smell.
Mm.
Shadow is uninterested
And
in playing. But he interested in smelling them though.
He interested in smelling and not playing.
Yeah, smelling the doggies.
I know that just
Dang. Larry doing weirdo things.
Shaw's gonna be all right. He been
Oop,
wanting
not
to go to the
close.
park. He been wanting to go to the park for that. I gave him a 7-day grace period. Look at him.
I know, Shadow.
You can't just force yourself like, oh, I want to go to the park. This is gonna make me go to the park. That's what you think. That ain't how this world works. Oh, you threw up right on my stuff.
Oh, wow. Real life in the car with Shadow. Yucky.